So in this video we will see how to find the ABCD parameters of pi line. Okay, pi model, there is one model of representing the transmission lines, that is known as pi. Okay, pi method. Okay, so we will see how to find the ABCD parameters, and here I will show you the trick. Okay, I will show you the trick to find the ABCD parameters of the pi model of transmission line, or maybe this trick is valid in any model, but I will demonstrate using the pi model. Okay, so what you need to know to understand this trick is this thing. See if a model is given to you in this fashion, that is, these are your lines, this is given you as Z. Okay, and this is your sending end voltage and this is your receiving end voltage. Okay, if this is the model of the line or anything, if you see such thing, then see how will you write ABCD matrix. See, I hope you know this. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, now we will write for this we will write the ABCD matrix. Okay, see, now look this from the sending end side. Okay, look from here, okay, and then look from here. So I hope you could see that these are, it looks same. If you look from the sending end side or the receiving end side, it is looking similar. Okay, so we say that this is a symmetric thing. So whenever it is a symmetric, then your A is equal to 1 equal to D, A equal to D equal to 1. Okay, so one thing is clear. Now see, here there is a impedance. Okay, so you put impedance in place of B and your C will be 0. Okay, now this is one thing. Okay, you remember this thing. Okay, and the second thing is, if you are given something like this, and see, note now the difference is here, it is given to you as the admittance is given to you. Always remember, the admittance is given to you and the element is in this fashion. Okay, these are sending end and receiving end voltage. See, now again you look from this side, you look from this side, it is a same thing. Okay, so how will you write your ABCD parameters of such element? ABCD, so it will be what? See, it is symmetric, so A is equal to D is equal to 1, but here there is a admittance, so you will take your admittance as C. I am taking Y. Okay, remember it is an admittance, and here it will be 0 as there is no impedance. So in any model of the transmission line, you just have to look for these elements. Okay, for just look for these elements, and then you can easily show them that these are connected in a cascade. Cascade means that one element is this and the other element is, see, like in this fashion, this is given as Y. So see, now this is known as a cascade connection. See, this is first element and this is the second element that I have shown you here. This is first and this is your second element. And see, so what will be the, if somebody says you find the ABCD parameter of such a system, see, it has two elements and two are connected in cascade. I hope you understood the meaning of cascade now. So you will do just multiply these two matrices, that is 1 Z 0 1 into 1 0 Y 1. Okay, so if you multiply this, then this gives you the ABCD parameter for this whole system. Okay, so this is the logic. That is why I have asked you to remember these two elements and just look for them in the any model. Okay, so now we will see the pi model. So we will now see the nominal pi network for the transmission line. Okay, just remember the trick that I told you on the previous page. Okay, so see, now this is your line, and this I hope you know this, that your pi model network is on the for the medium transmission line. Okay, so let me say this is your impedance of the line, R plus jx. Okay, and we all know that there is also an admittance of the line. So in pi network, what we do is we divide the equal admittances on the both sides of the line, that is in this fashion. this is y by 2 and this is y by 2. Okay, so always remember that this is y and this is your what? This is your total z of the line. Okay, so these are very important things in the solving of questions. So this is your nominal pi network. Okay, so now you have to find out the ABCD parameter of this. Now again identify the elements that I have told you. See, this is your first element. Okay, this is your second element. Okay, and this is your third element. Okay, so I have already told you how to find these all three elements are connected in the cascade. So just you can easily find out. This is A, B, C, D for the whole transmission line. Now just do this thing that I have told you. See, first is your y by 2. See here it is a second type. See, second type was this thing. Okay, there is a y. So here see admittance is given to 1. So it is symmetric and you have to take C as y by 2 and there is no z, so it will be 0. Now again take the next one. Next is your z only and it is a symmetric. So 1 1 B will be z and this will be 0. And your last one will be what? Y by 2, so it will be again same 1 0 1 and this will be y by 2. Now you just need to multiply. See, doing this is a much easier method than remembering all the ABCD parameters for every pi, t and other model. So if you remember this tip and trick, then you can find out ABCD for any model. Okay, so on solving this you will get what? So you will get on solving this. So on solving this you will get your ABCD as 1 plus yz by 2. This is your A. Okay, this is your z. B is your z. C is your y. 1 plus yz by 4. Okay, and this is 1 plus y z by 2. Okay, and I hope you know the standard equations. That is your Vs is equal to AVR plus BIR for any model or any ABCD parameter for any line, and your Is is equal to AVR plus BIR. Okay, so I hope you know this, and you can easily find out the ABCD parameter for the pi model as I have found out. Okay, so this is the tip and trick to find out the ABCD parameter for any line. Okay, you can apply this method to your nominal T network also, that I may discuss in some other video, but for this video remember this trick and remember the thing. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So please like, share, subscribe Electrical Diaries and visit our website. You can ask your doubts on our website also. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.